To send a group message to a list of clients, click on the dedicated button in the side toolbar. Click on the plus sign in the top right. Start by selecting the WhatsApp account. Give a name to your campaign. Choose the contact list. You can add an attached file or an image by clicking on the icon to attach the file. You can also select it through your file manager. Write your message. Select the minimum and maximum time interval for sending, put 10 and 60 if you're not sure. Save. Your campaign is scheduled, and you can track the progress of sending on this page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to receive new updates.